If you are watching this video right now, chances are you have asked yourself this question before. How do people actually make their first million? Not 1,000, not 100,000, but 1 million. And let me be honest with you from the beginning. This video is not about shortcuts, scams, betting, or fake motivation. This is not about waking up rich tomorrow. This is about how real people from real backgrounds build real money. My name is Dedan, and this is Dedan Vlogs. On this channel, we talk about life, growth, Africa, struggle, lessons, and truth. Today, I want to speak to you as a brother, as someone who understands what it means to start with nothing but a phone, a dream, and pressure from life. Your first million is not just money, it is proof. Proof that you can focus, proof that you can endure, proof that you can finish something you started. So if you are young, confused, broke, ambitious, tired, or even discouraged, this video is for you. Sit back, listen carefully, and don't rush this. The biggest mistake people make is misunderstanding what a million is. A million is not magic. A million is math, plus discipline, plus time. Many people fail because they think a million must come at once. A million must come fast. A million must come from luck. That thinking destroys focus. Your first million is usually built from small wins repeated. One main skill, one main opportunity, long periods of boredom, short moments of reward. Most millionaires didn't blow up. They built quietly. If you can learn to respect small money, you are preparing yourself for big money. If you despise small beginnings, big money will reject you. Money does not follow wishes. Money follows value. Before asking, how do I get a million? Ask, what problem can I solve? What skill can I improve? What value can I offer consistently? Here's a hard truth. If you can't manage 100,000, you won't manage a million. Mindset rules. Delayed gratification. Stop spending to impress people who don't care. Patience. Money grows slower than hype. Focus. Chasing everything kills progress. Learning. Ignorance is expensive. Your phone can either entertain you or educate you. Choose wisely. Ideas are cheap. Skills are expensive. Your first million will most likely come from one strong skill, not 10 weak ones. Examples of skills: communication skills, storytelling, video editing, programming, graphic design, teaching, marketing, farming with knowledge trading, a service. Dedan Vlogs exist because of communication plus consistency. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be useful. Ask yourself, if money was chasing skill, would it catch me? People misunderstand multiple income streams. You don't start with many, you start with one. One stream becomes strong, then it funds the next. Most broke people have many ideas, no execution, no patience. One focused hustle beats 5 confused hustles. Build one thing until it pays your bills, covers your basics, creates surplus, then expand. You don't save what remains. You spend what remains after saving. Saving teaches discipline. Saving buys you time. Saving protects your future self. Even if it's small, save. Consistency beats amount. Your first million respects servers. Who you listen to matters. Who you sit with matters. Who you copy matters. If everyone around you hates ambition, laughs at discipline, celebrates shortcuts, you will struggle. Sometimes growth requires distance, not explanation. Protect your dream quietly. You will fail. You will lose money. You will be laughed at. You will doubt yourself. That is not a sign to stop. That is proof you are trying. Every lesson costs something. Pay the price once. Learn forever. Your first million may take 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. but it is faster than staying broke forever. Time passes anyway. The question is, will you grow while it passes? Move silently, work consistently, avoid noise, avoid pressure to show off. Results speak louder than plans. Let me leave you with this. Your first million is not about money alone. It's about who you become while chasing it. You will gain discipline. You will gain clarity. You will gain confidence. And even before the million arrives, you will already be rich in mindset. If this video helped you, inspired you, or opened your eyes, subscribe to Dedan Vlogs. Like this video. Share it with someone who needs to hear this truth. Remember, start small, stay consistent, think long term, and never underestimate yourself. This is Dedan, and this is Dedan Vlogs. We build, we grow, we don't quit.